Boxster S, and I'm particularly impressed with what nice shape it's in. It's got about 75,000 miles on it, and it's very hard to find any flaws at all. Really clean car that's been well cared for. And in particular, you can tell that the top was left stowed up, or somebody replaced the top at some point, and we're unaware of that. But it's most of the time these cars have had the top left folded up, and you tend to have creases. This one looks basically brand new. It does have a brand new motor for the top and new cables, so that's good, and that's working all very nicely. But in particular, I really just want to take a moment and show you that this car is superbly clean. There's no curb damage to any of the rims. There's no imperfection. There are no door dings. It's just a really clean example. You don't even see stone chips on the mirrors. And you don't see stone chips on the windshield glass either. Not a perfect car because, again, it has 75,000 miles on it. But it is an extremely clean example if you're looking for a Boxster. See, there's one tiny little, it's hard, there it is. Right there, there's a tiny little stone chip. And maybe another right there. Very, very difficult to see. That's exceptionally nice. Right here, the bumper actually. A few little spots. The spoiler hasn't been smashed either. And the headlights are really clean. These plastic lenses are in excellent shape. And the body panel fit is excellent. Oh, this is beautiful. These turbo twist wheels are beautiful as well. They're 18-inch. And this is the one that tends to get curb rash, but it's in excellent shape. For all I know, it was replaced not that long ago. These are really good tires. They're Bridgestones, and they're only a few years old, so they're also in nice shape. These pretty red calipers and vented discs. The Boxster is a pretty amazing machine. The mid-engine is just a delight because of the handling and the balance. I'll show you how you open the trunk and the front. It's right here. You just pull these two. They're electrically actuated, but very, very straightforward and simple. And also here you see how clean the carpet basically looks brand new. So it's a really nice sign of a very well maintained car. And same with under the boot lid. It's very clean. And then this is the automatic spoiler and the lid for the top. See any marks to call out? Just a little bit of dirt, but the rear bumper cover, it hasn't been parked by feel or parallel parked and damaged. There is a little touch up right here. So if that's the extent of its body imperfections, it's really extremely nice car. I'm impressed. Very clean example. Let's look at the front. Safety catch is sideways there. And same with this hood. You still have the original option codes indicated there. And it's a really clean, the original hood that came with the car. You don't see any evidence of past crash damage. There's a 5 CD player here. All this is also super clean. This is a bag and a jack in a bag. So those are sitting here in the front, and this the Space Saver tire is there as well. This looks like bug. I don't think that's a scratch, but it's, again, really hard to see. So we'll put the top down and show you the interior next.